Mr. Raju over here on the dais. It's very important to make a note here that Mobicule Technologies has been a pioneer and an emerging leader in the debt collection space, and they have also ventured into digital debt collection, where today they have not just a leadership position, but they're also revolutionizing the space with various services that they're offering. They're also forte is now in the digital debt resolution and the platform that they have created, and Siddharth is going to talk a lot.
So we work on, if you look at the debt, the overall term is called debt resolution, which means an EMI is due and you have to collect the EMI. In the early days, when you are due by only one or two EMI, it is called collection, which means you will ideally pay and you will resolve yourself and you will continuously pay. When it gets to three EMIs, which is called the late delinquency or the late bucket, there you have a higher chance of becoming an NPA or a delinquent customer, a fully delinquent customer. So that is where recovery starts. The term recovery basically is about, now the bank is at the risk of losing the entire money that he has lent to you. So they want to recover the whole thing. So there are three processes that kick in. One is, firstly, the bank will try and settle the loan amount. So you can't pay the whole thing. So they have a settlement process. Our software aids that. That is one part. If that is not feasible, if you have taken an asset-backed loan, so if you have taken a house loan, you have taken a vehicle, a car loan, or a consumer durable. These days people buy phones also on EMI, right? So those are all asset-backed loans. So the next step is to repossess that asset, and then the bank sells that asset and recovers its loan. And
today I am Raju Ramaswamy. I at the Growth Markets and Alliances at Mobicule. So it's nice to be in Namma Bengaluru. In fact, I was just trying to understand more. Bengaluru is not a string of words, Namma Bengaluru. It's more about the emotions that is there. So, basically the kind of IT hub that you have here, the kind of multicultural society, and of course the traffic problems. So that's good thing to have. So I think that's a bit of introduction which I'd like to give. We'll cover up more as we move on.
Okay, hi, I am Siddharth Agarwal. I am founder of Mobicule. We are basically a platform for debt resolution and collection. So we work closely with banks, financial institutions, NBFCs. We are a consumer-centric platform. So we allow banks to engage with their consumers to collect the simple term, which is a scary term called EMI, basically. So we are trying to kind of revolutionize this space, ensure that there is a common way in which consumers are dealt with, okay, as per regulations and as maintaining their dignity as well. So that's broadly what we do as a platform.
Okay, what are the main features of Mobicule?
So in terms of the main product features, with the payment infrastructure in India improving, which is a digital infrastructure in terms of UPI, one area which has emerged is something called as digital collection. So earlier, all of us must be used to a contact center agent calling you or a field agent coming and doing the collection. Times are slightly better now, where you get a communication via SMS, WhatsApp, or through a IVR, where you interact and you can make your payments directly by clicking a link, and directly through your UPI app you pay. So that's called digital collection. Along with that, the entire platform is AI based, which means whom to call, when to reach out to the consumer, in what language, at what time, is decided by a AI algorithm, which improves the more customers come on our platform, the AI capability improves. So this basically helps that if a customer is a low risk customer, he will not be getting a lot of reminders. A high risk customer will get a lot of reminders to ensure that he doesn't forget, and if he forgets, he does remember to pay back, basically.
What is the target for this?
Sorry?
Target for this?
So see, India in lending is growing, right? Every place we are lending. Earlier, we used to probably only take a home loan. Then it reached to something called as personal loan. If I have to make my house, go for a trip, then I take a personal loan. Now, average a person buys a phone also under EMI, right? So lending is increasing, and India is lending at a very fast pace. So all fintechs are focused on lending, which is improving the lending. But the more the lending will happen, it's a natural phenomenon that more defaults will happen. People will miss their EMIs. People will not be able to pay. People will take extra loans and not be able to pay the loan back. So as this increases, and it has increased in the last 3 years in a big way, there is more and more need for a collection platform and a resolution platform. So that is what we are trying to do, and that is the scope for this in the market in the long term.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.